Hello, friends. Hope you are doing well. So, here we are back again with the paper of 2017. It is paper 2, set A. वैसे तो हमने काफ़ी सारे प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर सॉल्व कर लिए हैं और अभी जब क्वेश्चंस रिपीट होते हैं तो वी कैन इजीली प्रिडिक्ट आंसर्स. दिस इज़ द एडवांटेज ऑफ सॉल्विंग PYQ. होप यू आर enjoying the series. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. Here, the paper is of 100 marks, 50 questions, and it is somewhat different paper. Like yes, अभी ऐसे पेपर नहीं आते हैं, but पहले आते थे. Okay? No negative marking. Going through the first question. The largest known site of the Harappan culture in India is Harappan culture largest site. अभी हमें ऑलमोस्ट सारे साइट्स पता है हरप्पा के. सो विच इज़ द लार्जेस्ट साइट? विदाउट एनी डाउट इट इज़ राखी घरी. यस, राखी घरी इन हरियाणा. पहले बिफोर दिस इट वॉज मोहेंजोदारो विच वॉज द लार्जेस्ट साइट, बट नाउ इट इज़ राखी घरी. एंड विच इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट? अलादीनो विच इज़ इन पाकिस्तान. Yes. And Lothal is known as Mini Harappa. और अगर कभी क्वेश्चन आए ओल्डेस्ट साइट तो वो है भिराना. भिराना. वेट. भीरा ओल्डेस्ट. देन Aladino smallest. Okay. Next question. The famous megalithic site Mahurjhari is located in, or Mahurjhari. It is Mahurjhari. It is located in Maharashtra. Yes, Mahurjhari in Nagpur. Yes. It is in Nagpur, a megalithic site. It has the largest, India's largest stone circle burial. Yes, burial जो है वहाँ का सबसे बड़ा है इंडिया का. The author of book titled Prehistory and Proto-History of India and Pakistan is. We have discussed about him in 2018 paper. It is H.D. Sankalia. He is the person behind excavation of Nevasa, Inamgaon and various places like Ahar in Rajasthan, विदिशा में भी है, मध्य प्रदेश के भी places है. Okay? Question number 4. Which of the following ancient excavated site was submerged in the water reservoir and later on after excavation remains were transplanted on the hill near to the site? इसका आंसर है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. आंसर इज बी. यस, नागार्जुन कोंडा विच इज इन आंध्र प्रदेश. दिस वॉज द साइट विच वॉज सबमर्ज्ड अंडर लेक क्रिएटेड बाय नागार्जुना सागर डैम. यस, और इसके बाद में यहाँ का जितने भी रिलिक्स वगैरह थे इनको एक हायर एल्टीट्यूड पर रख दिया गया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एंशियंट साइट्स इज फेमस नियोलिथिक साइट्स ऑफ इंडिया? फेमस नियोलिथिक. नाउ लोथल इज अ हरप्पन साइट. मोरगांव मेसोलिथिक. तोहर इज ऑल्सो समथिंग megalithic site. It is Burzahom, which is in Kashmir, a very famous site. During this Neolithic period, farming, domesticating of animals all started, and this is a final period of Stone Age. Neolithic period is the final stage of Stone Age. Who founded the Ajivika sect? Ajivika sect? Who founded? It was founded by Mahakali Putra Ghoshal. Yes, he was friend of Mahavira, and Ajivika sect was founded during the period of Buddhism, Jainism, and it lasted up to 14th century. And what was the belief of Ajivika sect? Absolutely everything is predetermined by fate or niyati, and human actions has no consequence. मतलब सब कुछ पहले से तय है, ऐसा बोलते थे. कर्मा, they don't believe in the karma. Diganag was a philosopher of Dash sect. Buddhism. Diganag was the first जिसने he is the founder of logic in India. Yes, first system of Buddhist like logic मतलब प्रमाण, and he has also written the book प्रमाण समुच्चय. Yes, प्रमाण समुच्चय. Diganag. Question number 8. Second Buddhist Council was held at. Now this question has repeated many times. Second at Vaishali under Kala Ashoka after 100 years after the death of Buddha, and it was presided by Sabakami. Yes, Kal Ashoka. Sabakami. 9th, the writer of Mahabharata in Tamil during the Sangam age was. Question number 9. Option is A. Perun Devanar. Yes, option A. Such books and authors we should remember. इनके लिए कोई ट्रिक्स वगैरह नहीं है. अगर कोई ट्रिक्स है तो I will share. According to Digambar Jain tradition, Lord Mahavira's first sermon discourse took place at Vipulachal mountain, Rajgriha. Yes, first sermon Divya Dhanvar. It was at Vipulachal mountains, Rajgriha, Bihar. Okay. 11th, Nalanda University was supposed to be founded by. Option B. Kumar Gupta. Yes, 5th century CE में फाउंड किया था. गुप्त डायनेस्टी के रूलर है कुमार गुप्त. According to Buddhist text, who was credited for the conversion of Mauryan king Ashoka into Buddhism? Same question repeated. Upagupta. Okay. Option A. Question number 13. It is match the pairs. Dynasties and their founders. Satvahana, Kanva, Shunga, Kushan. Vasudev, Pushyamitra, Kujal, Cadphises, Simuka. So Pushyamitra was the founder of Shunga dynasty. Kushan, Cadphises, Satvahana, Simuka, and Kanva, Vasudeva. Similarly, कहा ये options. A. Option A. Okay. Now question number 14. According to Nasik's inscription of Vashishta Putra Pulumavi, who uprooted the Kshatra branch of the western Kshatraps? Who uprooted? It is Gautami Putra Satkarni according to the inscription. It is an inscription in the Pandavleni caves. So it is a cave in Nasik, Pandavleni caves. by Queen Gautamiputra Balasiri, who was mother of Satkarni, and Satkarni is father of Pulumavi. Yes, सतकर्णी, गौतमीपुत्र सतकर्णी के मदर ने बनाया हुआ है ये इंस्क्रिप्शन एंड ये केव्स. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 का आंसर बी. Which of the following concepts is not used in land revenue during the Gupta period? Arsha, Udranga, Bhaga, Uparika. So which is the answer? 15th का आंसर है A, Arsha. It is not used in the land revenue. Okay, now question number 16. The monolithic temples at Mahabalipuram were excavated during the rule of Pallava king Narasimhavarman I. Okay, Narasimhavarman I of Pallava dynasty, and this monolithic temples were built in 7th and 8th century in Tamil Nadu on the Coromandel coast. Okay, now question number 17. Earliest epigraphical evidence of the custom of sati is known from the dash period. It is known from the Gupta period. Iran pillar inscription of Bhanugupta. Iran pillar inscription of Bhanugupta. Okay, now next question. उसमें था सबसे पहला एविडेंस 1510 में, और ये ईरान पिलर का है इन MP मध्य प्रदेश. नाउ पिक आउट द रॉन्गली मैच्ड पेयर. स्लेव डायनेस्टी 1206 to 1290, खिलजी 1290 to 1320, तुगलक 1320 to 1398, विजयनगर किंगडम 1346 to 1518. No, Vijayanagar. It is a wrong answer. Wrong. Vijayanagar is 1336 to 1646. The famous Sufi saints Gesu Daraz, who lived in Bahmani kingdom, belong to which order? Gesu Daraz belong to Chishti. 19th answer is A, Chishti. Also known as Khwaja Banda Nawaz. He was disciple of Dehlvi and he belonged to Chishti order, and his tomb is at Kalburgi in Gulbarga fort. Yes, डेक्कन में सूफीज़म इन्होंने काफ़ी स्प्रेड किया हुआ. ही इज़ वेरी रिनाउंड इन डेक्कन, साउथ इंडिया. हु रोड तारीक़े अलाई? Who wrote the Tariq-e-Alai? It is a book which gives somewhat detail about the early rule of Alauddin Khilji, early few years of Alauddin Khilji, and this is a Sufi saint or Sufi musician poet who was very famous, and he was present as a poet at court of more than 7 rulers of Delhi Sultanate. Amir Khusro. Option B, Amir Khusro. Question number 21. The Ilahi era was started by. Question number 21. Ilahi era. Ilahi as a religion, separate religion, was started by Akbar. Okay, Ilahi era was started by Akbar. Now 22. Todarmal divided land into dash for the collection of land revenue. Todarmal divided land into 4 categories. The Zapti system, and the land was divided into 4: Polaj, Paroti, Chhachar, Banjar. Polaj, Paroti, Chhachar, Banjar. Polaj कल्टिवेबल लैंड, परोती जिसको रख दिया जाता था, मतलब इट वॉज यूज्ड आफ्टर सम टाइम. छाछर सेमी एरिड एंड बंजर एरिड of no use. Badshah Akbar was buried at. Sikandara. It is in the outskirts of Agra in UP, and this was, in fact, the tomb was construction was started by Akbar itself, and it was concluded by Jahangir, his son. And also the tomb of Jodhabai, who was Mariam, her tomb is also present beside Akbar's tomb. From the Ashtapradhan Mandal of Shivaji, who had no compulsion to undertake military expedition. शिवाजी महाराज के अष्टप्रधान मंडल में किसे मिलिट्री के मुहिम पर जाने के लिए मतलब कंपल्शन नहीं था. न्यायाधीश एंड पंडित राव. न्यायाधीश माने जुडिशियल ऑफिसर, एंड पंडित राव वॉज रिलीजियस ऑफिसर. सो ऑब्वियसली ये नहीं जाते थे. बाकी अमात्य फाइनेंस सचिव, पेशवा पीएम, सुमंत फॉरेन ऑफिसर, ये सब लोग कभी जा सकते थे. द किंगडम ऑफ विजयनगर वॉज फाउंडेड इन द ईरा. अभी डिस्कस किया हमने 1336. सी यहीं पर दोनों आंसर्स, क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स गलत हो जाते हैं. प्रूफ आंसर्स मिल भी जाएंगे आपको. पहले काफ़ी इजी पेपर आते थे. 26. दीवान अमीर खोई वॉज रिलेटेड टू. दीवान अमीर खोई was related to agriculture department. It was by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Yes, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. दीवान अमीर खोई टर्म याद रखिए. नाउ for 27. From which language the term दरोगा has derived. दरोगा टर्म जो है पुलिस के लिए बोलते हैं. It is derived from Persian. Yes, दरोगा is a Persian word. अभी भी यूज़ करते हैं. द शूरावर्दी सिलसिला वॉज फाउंडेड इन इंडिया बाय होम. शूरावर्दी, इट वॉज फाउंडेड बाय बहाउद्दीन ज़कारिया. यस, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट हिम इन 2018 पेपर ऑल्सो. बहाउद्दीन ज़कारिया. he was person Bahauddin Zakaria. He was from Pakistan. In fact, his tomb is also present in Pakistan. Now, 29. Mungi Shevgaon Treaty of 1728 was signed between. Mungi Shevgaon, it is in Ahmednagar district, place in Ahmednagar district, and it was signed between Bajirao I and Nizam of Hyderabad. Sorry for little disturbance. Mungi Shevgaon Treaty, it was signed after the Battle of Palkhed, which was in 1728. In this battle, the Nizam was defeated and he agreed for concessions to Peshwa and Chhatrapati Shahu, the sole Maratha ruler in Maratha territory. Okay. बाजीराव, द बाजीराव मस्तानी मूवी वाला बाजीराव. Yes. Which one of the following steps was not taken by Mir Qasim immediately after becoming the Nawab of Bengal? Very tricky question. It is abolishing the system of dastak, a trade permit issued to British merchants. Shifting of capital, yes, from Murshidabad to Munger. Reorganizing the bureaucracy by including men of his own choice. Remodeling his army to enhance its skill and efficiency. Yes, Murshidabad, which is in present day East Bengal, to Munger, which is in Bihar. We have discussed this in previous video also. Which was the most important cause of English success against the French? So there are two options. Option number B, naval inferiority of the French, and option D, difference in organizational structure of the French and English companies. Yes, there are two options given in the answer key, B and D. 31 के दो options है. Now, which one of the following war decided the fate of the French in India? It is the Battle of Wandiwash, which was in 1760 during the part of the Third Carnatic War, and it ended with the Paris Treaty of 1763. Yes, it was between French and British, and in this battle the hero was Sir Eyre Coote. Yes, Sir Eyre Coote. Oude was finally annexed. Question number 33. Oude was finally annexed by British in 1856 on the basis of misgovernance, doctrine of lapse. एनेक्सेशन पॉलिसीज जो चल रही थी उसमें मिसगवर्नेंस के बेसिस पर ओड वॉज annexed. Now, which book of V.D. Savarkar was published in the late 1908 in Paris and smuggled into India under the label Random Papers of the Pickwick Club? Now, if you know the book which was published in 1908, you can eliminate and find the answer. It was the Indian War of Independence of 1857. Yes, Indian War of Independence. Now, question number 35. It is match the pair. C.R. Reddy, प्रजामित्र मंडल, ज्योतिबा फुले सत्यशोधक समाज, yes. आत्माराम पांडुरंग प्रार्थना समाज, yes. Dr. Ambedkar, Scheduled Caste Federation. So C.R. Reddy was member of Justice Party and Prajamitra Mandali was founded by K.C. Reddy, a non-Brahmin organization, in 1917. On whose request did Gandhiji decided to visit Champaran? Rajendra Prasad, J.V. Kriplani, Rajkumar Shukla, Brij Kishore. Option C, Rajkumar Shukla. Yes, option C. Champaran Satyagraha, first Satyagraha of 1917, first Satyagraha by Gandhiji. Now, where was the headquarters of Ghadar Party? Ghadar Party, which was founded by Sohan Singh Bhakna in 1930. Headquarters was in San Francisco. It was in the Yugantar Ashram in San Francisco. Yes, Yugantar Ashram. And Ghadar Party leader Sohan Singh Bhakna. फिर उसके बाद में लाला हरदयाल and many other joined the movement. Rabindranath Tagore gave up his knighthood because of the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Yes, when he was awarded knighthood in 1915 by King George V, Kaisar-e Hind medal. He also returned the Kaisar-e Hind medal in 1919. Okay, now 39. The Religion of Man was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, The Religion of Man. It is a book about compilation of his lectures at Oxford University. It is more a philosophical book. Which Indian revolutionary abroad launched in January 1905 the publication of his own paper, Indian Sociologist. Savarkar, Sardar Singh Ji Rana, Shyam Krishna Verma, Lala Hardayal. It was by Shyamji Krishna Verma. Okay. 1905 abroad, Indian Sociologist, London में पब्लिश किया था उन्होंने. Ranjit Singh belonged to the Sikh missal of Shukar Chakia missal. Okay. 41 option B. Now, the Supreme Court of Calcutta was established by which of the following act? Supreme Court was established in 1774. It was established by the Regulating Act of 1773. Very simple question. Which famous scientist was forbidden from publishing scientific book by religious intuitions? It was Galileo. सूली पर चढ़ा दिया गया था. 44. Laissez-faire policy is associated with. We have read this previously also. It is associated with free trade. Okay, free trade. Now, question number 45. In which year the Great Depression occurred in America? Great Depression occurred in 1929. Yes, Great Depression occurred in 1929. Now, which social thinker is called as father of cyclical view of history? Which social thinker? Cyclical view of history. Giambattista Vico. Giambattista Vico. Giambattista Vico. 47. The main aim of annal school is to write total history. रट लो इसे. Annal school total history. सर्वसमावेशक इतिहास लिखने. 48. Which of the following concepts was not introduced by history writing of subaltern studies? Subaltern studies. It was of the backward, not so popular people, subaltern. And इसमें किसके बारे में नहीं है? Dominant, common sense, hegemony, long duty is the answer. Question 48, option D. Again, match the pairs. G.S. Ghibli, Fernand Braudel, Michael Foucault, D.D. Koshambi. If you remember, we have discussed about D.D. Koshambi. He has written the book Culture and Civilization of Ancient India 4A. If you know this, you can solve it by elimination, option D. But let's see other options also. Like G.S. Ghibli, he has written Caste and Race in India. Caste and Race in India. Okay. B. 1. Caste and Race in India. Fernand Braudel, he has written Civilization and Capitalism. And Michael Foucault, Archaeology of Knowledge. So option D. Now last question. Who wrote the study of history? 12 volumes. Who wrote the study of history? Option B. Tony A.J. A.J. Tony B. Or Toynbee A.J. Okay. Thank you for watching the session. Hope you like it. Please do like, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends so it might help them. And we all know the previous year papers are really helpful as the questions get repeated every year.